How do spinal cord injuries impact emotional trauma? Imagine waking up one day and suddenly facing a life where your body no longer responds the way it used to. That's what a spinal cord injury can feel like for many people. These injuries cause serious physical damage that often results in permanent loss of movement and sensation below the injury site. But the physical effects are just part of the story. The emotional toll can be just as intense and sometimes even more challenging to handle. When someone sustains a spinal cord injury, they often experience a flood of emotions right after the accident. Shock, disbelief, and grief are common as they realize their life has changed forever. Many feel overwhelmed by sadness and frustration as they come to terms with their new limitations. The loss of independence, ability to work, or enjoy hobbies can lead to feelings of despair. It's also common for individuals to mourn the loss of their previous lifestyle and social roles. The injury can also cause disruptions in the autonomic nervous system, which controls things like blood pressure, temperature regulation, and emotional responses. This can make managing emotions even harder. People may find themselves more prone to anxiety or mood swings, which can add to their emotional distress. Chronic pain and ongoing medical treatments can make feelings of hopelessness worse, especially when recovery seems slow or uncertain. From a legal perspective, understanding this emotional trauma is key. When filing a personal injury claim, emotional and psychological damages are considered just as important as physical injuries. Victims may need compensation for ongoing mental health treatment, therapy, or medication to help manage depression, anxiety, or post-traumatic stress disorder. Documenting these emotional effects with medical and psychological evaluations helps establish the full impact of the injury. Legal teams often work with mental health professionals to show how the injury has changed the person's quality of life. This can include details about how the injury affects daily routines, relationships, and future plans. It's also important to highlight the need for long-term psychological support, which can involve therapy, medication, and rehabilitation services. In the end, spinal cord injuries do more than just damage the body. They can deeply affect a person's emotional well-being, leading to conditions like depression, anxiety, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Recognizing these emotional effects in a personal injury claim helps ensure that victims receive the support and compensation they need to rebuild their lives.